Hey there, I'm James Smith, and today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to a game changer in content creation, Synthesys AI Studio. This revolutionary tool harnesses the incredible power of artificial intelligence to generate top-notch text, voice, and image content like you've never seen before. But here's the exciting part. If you decide to get Synthesys AI Studio through the link down in the description, you won't just be getting this incredible AI content creation tool. I'm personally throwing in some exclusive bonuses from my side to sweeten the deal. So, stick around to discover how Synthesys AI Studio can transform your content creation game. And don't forget to check out the link below for those special bonuses. Let's dive in. Introducing Synthesys AI Studio, a revolutionary content creation tool powered by artificial intelligence. This all-in-one solution is set to transform the content creation landscape with its advanced features. One standout feature is the realistic AI human voices. It uses real human voices to create text-to-voice conversions that sound incredibly lifelike, connecting with audiences naturally. With over 100 ultra-realistic voices in 140 languages, you can easily produce voiceovers in multiple languages for a global audience. The AI Human Video Builder is another game changer. It lets you create complete videos from scratch featuring AI-driven human-like figures called humatars. You can customize these humatars, from their appearance to their clothing and hairstyles, unlocking endless creative possibilities for personalized video content. The AI text-to-image function is equally impressive. It allows you to generate high-quality images based on text descriptions, eliminating the need for graphic designers or expensive stock photos. This saves you time and money while delivering visually appealing content. Streamlining your workflow is easy with the Seamless Media Applications feature. It offers a unified dashboard where media created in one feature can seamlessly transfer to another. For instance, you can create voiceovers with the AI Voices tool and effortlessly add them to AI human videos without switching screens, boosting efficiency. Lastly, Synthesys AI Studio comes with a commercial license, giving you the freedom to use the content you create for commercial purposes. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, business owner, or part of an agency, you can harness AI's power to craft compelling content for your clients and target audience. One of its standout features is the text-to-image engine, which can automatically generate images for a variety of digital content needs such as blog posts, social media posts, advertisements, and presentations. This effectively eliminates the need for manual image selection, or the expenses associated with hiring graphic designers. For e-commerce enterprises, this engine is a game changer, as it has the ability to produce high-quality product images based solely on textual descriptions, rendering professional photography redundant. Furthermore, Synthesys AI Studio extends its utility to the world of prototyping and design. Rather than painstakingly creating mock-ups, it quickly generates images based on your textual input, thus facilitating easier sharing and collaboration across diverse niches. The personalization and customization potential is equally impressive. The platform can create tailor-made visual content and marketing materials, making it a versatile tool for engaging with a wide array of audience segments. For gaming and virtual worlds, Synthesys AI Studio's text-to-image AI becomes indispensable. It is adept at generating unique characters, landscapes, or objects based on textual descriptions or user interactions, enhancing the gaming experience while minimizing the need for laborious manual asset creation. Moreover, it serves as a powerful tool for expanding stock image libraries or establishing entirely new ones, effectively accelerating the process of amassing a substantial inventory of licensable images. But Synthesys AI Studio's capabilities don't stop at visuals. It also features a robust text-to-voice engine. This engine is a game-changer for audiobook and podcast production, swiftly converting written content into audio format, thereby saving considerable time and costs typically associated with hiring voice actors or booking recording studios. It is also a valuable asset for language localization efforts, as it can generate speech in multiple languages, facilitating the reach of businesses into global markets. The platform's commitment to accessibility is noteworthy, as it ensures digital content is accessible to individuals with visual impairments or reading difficulties by converting text into audio. Furthermore, Synthesys AI Studio can generate voiceovers for an array of media applications, spanning commercials, videos, animations, and video games. This is especially advantageous for projects constrained by tight budgets or demanding timelines. Synthesys AI Studio's capabilities encompass virtual customer support, sales and marketing, training and onboarding, multilingual support, and even brand ambassadorship. These features empower businesses to provide personalized customer experiences, expand their global reach, and optimize cost efficiency. Synthesys AI Studio offers a profitable opportunity for individuals and businesses. It harnesses advanced AI for content creation, which can significantly enhance marketing efforts, engagement, conversions, and overall revenue. The commercial license extends the potential by enabling you to offer content creation services to clients, creating an additional income stream. Using Synthesys AI Studio is simple. You start by selecting the desired feature, such as AI Voices tool, AI Humans tool, or AI Images tool. Then, input your text or description and customize settings like voice options, scene settings, or image generation preferences. After a quick preview and any necessary adjustments, you generate the content. Finally, you can download or share the content according to your needs. This user-friendly process empowers users to leverage AI-driven content creation effectively. In conclusion, Synthesys AI Studio stands as a versatile and groundbreaking tool that promises to revolutionize content creation across industries, be it marketing, gaming, e-commerce, or any sector reliant on visual and audio content. It emerges as a potent ally for businesses looking to streamline their content creation processes while elevating their engagement with audiences on a global scale.